Hello guys, today I will show you how to add co-commissioner on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to sports.yahoo.com and log in using user credentials. After logging in, you'll be on Yahoo Sports dashboard where you'll have to simply click on the fantasy option, then choose a game. You can choose fantasy football. I'm choosing fantasy hockey for example. Now it will take me up to this page. On this page, I will choose Commissioner just right here. When I choose Commissioner, it will take me to League Settings page. Make sure you are into League Settings and not other tools. Now, scroll down on this page and navigate to the Assign Commissioner Access button. So this is Assign Commissioner Access link. I will click here and it will take me to this Set Commissioners page. Now, I will have to just select the managers I want to be assigned as commissioner or co-commissioner, then I will click on submit. So this is the manager that I have added to my team. I will simply choose this manager as my co-commissioner, also as a commissioner. Now I will click on submit. Now when I click on submit, I would have successfully added a co-commissioner on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So that is the simple way to do this. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.